Let me give you an update on all of the class action lawsuits that have already been certified against the Trump administration since he went into office in January 20. And this is coming on the heels of the class that's more likely going to be created out of the children and families in that Chicago apartment building who were dragged out of their homes in the middle of the night. Some of them without clothes on, zip tied, separated from their families, and had their homes ransacked in violation of Fourth Amendment right against unlawful search and seizure, which only allows you to search without permission if it's imminent threat, if you have a search warrant with the name of the parties being searched and their address, or if there is some sort of law. None of those existed in this case. Now, the four certifications have been on behalf of the 200-something men that Donald Trump sent to El Salvador to be tortured for 100 days, accusing them of being a member of a gang without giving them the due process rights to show proof that they're indeed not a member of the gang, as all 9 justices of the United States Supreme Court said those men were entitled to. There's been a class certified on behalf of the Guatemalan and Honduran children, some of them as young as 10 years old with health problems, who came to this country as unlawful minors, because unaccompanied minors, because they were either trafficked or abused in their home country, and we have been holding them in orphanage. The Trump administration gathered some of them to try to dump them in Guatemala without knowledge of the country, the parents, or anything. So a Trump appointed judge, Tim Kelly, certified a class protecting them. There's a few classes protecting the babies born after Donald Trump's unlawful executive order trying to strip those babies of their birthright citizenship. And there's also a certified class that protects some of the children who were supposed to be subject to protection. Now, we should know that during the last Trump term, right now, we paid out money to the lawyers and to the people who were victimized by the Trump's immigration enforcement policies last time. We were paying therapy for some of the children that were traumatized, folks who were denied their immigration rights, people who were deported to other countries and made to wander and suffer. And there's been payments. We've paid millions of dollars already from his last term. And you can best believe the way they've been going up and down, violating people's rights, that there'll be plenty more class action lawsuits. Our tax dollars are going to be going to pay for this unlawful, unconstitutional tear of democracy and attempted authoritarian dictatorial coup of the United States, depriving people of their rights, ransacking through everything. So we're going to be paying for that, and he does not care, and that's why he's doing it. But you should know, if you or anyone you see have been victimized by the Trump administration, more likely than not, they're going to be subject to suit, and they're going to lose the way they lost last time, which is sad. It shouldn't have to be this way. All they have to do is behave. Instead, they're just lawless. And shame on the Supreme Court for letting them do it. Shame on the Republicans in Congress for not removing this man and his regime from office. JJ Legal, each one teach one. Share this video so more people know.